So please marry me.
Yes.
Cook, Sissy.
Oh, my, this is to be sweet.
Yeah, please.
I finished.
Shut up.
I finished the violet your soup.
I don't know you don't like vegetable soup.
I finished the violet your soup.
Eat a lot water. Yeah? You chew the food. Don't worry. I know what to do to you.
But I want to eat. I don't want to eat.
Welcome. Get south.
Hey! Spare me your pleasantries. I've come for my money. Just go in there and give me my money. Officer!
Please. I was going to come to plead with you. To
plead with me to do what? Eh? I am tired of your excuses. How long will you keep on turning around because of 20,000 naira. Ngozi?
Please. Nkira, I'm pleading. See, give me till the next Afro market day. I will personally come to the market with the money and give it to you.
People like you are the reason I have decided not to help people again. Let me ask you this question. Are you the only widow in this community? I am also a widow. You have a grown-up son. Why can't he struggle like his mate? You said school is better, school is good. Ngozi, in the next Afro market day, if you did not give me my money complete, you will not like my next action. You will not like it. You know, whenever I get you might like it. If I did not get my money complete, you will not like what I will do to you. You won't like it.
Just calm down, okay? Why? Why is my own different? Who did I offend?
No, please, don't start now, please. I'm begging you. Just calm down, okay?
When will all this go away? When?
Mama, things will get better. I trust God. Just
all the insults screamed.
Mama, please don't start, please. Please.
Hey. Hey. Ejike. Ejike. What is the matter?
Obina is my waist though. Seems it's getting worse. Hey.
Your waist again.
My waist is still paining me.
Even after taking the drugs that Utika recommended.
Obina, you and I know that Utika is not a certified medical doctor. Eh? We only go there because that's what we can afford.
Ejike, see, I don't think it's about the drugs.
How do you mean?
I think it's high time you quit this farm work.
What else will I do again, eh? What else is there in this community to do that will sustain me, my mother, and my sister?
But your health matters as well. Look at you. You're still very young. You're not married yet. And every time you're complaining about waist pain and joint ache. Is that how you want to survive?
Yeah, Obina. Look, I will just seek for an effective medicine. Yeah? Help me up, Biko. Help me up. Hey, easy. Okay. Look, let's go home, Biko. The drug I took is already making me drowsy. We'll finish the job tomorrow.
Tomorrow? I just hope Mazi Beko don't get angry if we don't finish this work on time.
Obina, please, let's go, I beg. Is it a do or die affair? Biko, let's go, Biko, let's go.
Hey! Chi, take it easy now.
But stop, I'm just trying to help you before if you not because of
Hey, Chi, go it now. You know that this place is really paining me.
You don't want to massage it again? I will leave it to
massage it small. Hey.
Sorry.
Chi, take it easy now. Chi, we are not fighting. We are not fighting, no.
Sorry. Don't do it to me. Sorry.
Okay, it's okay.
This place is red.
It's okay. To calm down.
Sorry.
Come. Where did Mama even go to?
She went to Uncle Baka's place. Nkiru was here to recover the money she loaned Mama some time ago.
Eto.
Let me help you. Sorry.
So that crazy woman was here to make trouble because of 20,000 naira.
But did you just say 20,000 naira? Because of 20,000 naira? You and I know that that money has lingered for too long. It's her right. She has every right to react anyhow she wants to react. So don't sound like I don't like it. Please. Can I get your food now?
I'm not hungry.
I don't understand. Well, I see. You need to eat to take care of this drowsiness you complained about. After you took your pain reliever, please let me just get food for you.
Chi, I said I'm not hungry now. I'm okay.
But please now.
Chine, what's your problem now? Go and eat if you want to eat. I'm not hungry. My waist! Open up! My waist! Open up my back!
Can you sit up? Please, sit up, stop. Sit up.
Open up, take me to Otika store. Otika shop.
Otika shop is far from here. Let's just find a medicine store around, okay? Let's just go. Any medicine store around, we just go.
Small. My back. Come like this. Hey, my back. Hey. Put on my back. Azumo.
Easy.
Hey. Why?
Easy. Easy. Why?
Let's go. Tika. My waist.
7 waist pain.
Hey.
What happened to him?
He's having waist pain, but he has been complaining of waist pain before. We were working in a farm and he screamed and fell.
Waist pain.
Yes.
Sorry. A minute.
Oh, thank you. Abubafa, you won't lie down for you.
Hey.
Make you lie down.
Hey.
Don't worry. He'll be better by the time he wakes up.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Here are his drugs. They're for pain relief. Please, ensure he takes them after his meals.
Oh. Thank you so much. How much is it? No. You want to sit up?
Hey, how long have I been sleeping here?
Not long. How are you? How do you feel?
I feel very weak.
Don't worry. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Sorry.
Okay. How much is our bill?
It's 3,500 naira.
Okay. Sister, we only have 1,800 naira. Please just take this from us for now. Between now till tomorrow, we will bring the balance. Please.
Please don't feel me.
We promise you. I promise you. We won't fail you. Please. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Can we get your number? Let's also write out our number for you, so that in case, just in case you can call us or call you.
Let me get my phone.
Okay, thank you.
So how do you feel?
Mama, I feel hurt. I feel quite better.
At least that will teach you a lesson. I don't need to persuade you to quit going to people's farm to work for them.
Oh, was that really necessary?
Chinenye, what is it? Will you stop pretending like you don't know what is going on? Will you just stop pretending like you don't know how he feels each time he returns from work? It's either he's complaining about joint pain, waist pain, headache, because he wants to study.
Mama, I know where you're driving at. But Mama, what else do you want me to do? I've done everything I could do to make sure this family is in order. We can't keep borrowing money from people, Mama. We can't.
Then do something else. Just try something else than doing all these odd jobs. Must you get yourself disabled in order to sponsor your education? Onye dindu na talk about future. Onye dindu future. At least do something else.
Something else like what? Eh? What haven't I laid my hands on? I wrote Keke. It did not end well. I worked at the motor park. Doubts and hoodlums attacked me. I had to leave. I even tapped palm wine for people, and I fell off the tree. Mama, what else should I know? What else should I do now?
I don't know. I don't know, but you have to find another thing. You have to do something else. Stop all these odd jobs. Eh? See, I will not service negativity with my money. I am not going to bury any of my children. Rather, they will bury me in my old age.
Mama, it's okay. Please, it's okay.
Chinenye, what is wrong with you? What is okay? How is it okay? I was calling it is okay. I was telling it is okay next time. Mama, what is okay? Get close to the okay.
Mother, you and I know that Mama is right. For the sake of your health, please, just quit this farm work now before you resort to something bigger. I am begging you. Remember, you are my only brother. I don't want to lose you for anything. For no reason, please. Just quit.
Biko, I was just coming from your house. I went to look for you.
Coming from my house?
Yes.
And I was just coming from my farm to see what you and your lazy friend have done. 2 days work, taking you 1 week. 2 able-bodied, wasteful men.
Ichi, I understand. That was even the reason I came to see you.
Came to see me?
Yes.
Have you finished the job? You have no business with me until you finish the job.
Ichi, please. My friend had a dislocation around his waist while we were working on your farm. And he has been on medication for some time now. So I want to know if it is possible for you to give us some of our balance so that he can use it for his medications. I promise you, we will finish the job by the end of tomorrow.
Let me ask you, are you out of your senses? Eh? What you want from me now is money.
Yes.
For me to give you money. Foul. I will give you no dime again until you finish the job. Listen to me. I blame myself for awarding that job to you lousy village good for nothing boys. Look at you. A job that would have cost me 2 days if I had given it to Abakaliki boys to clear. Yes!
Ichi, don't say that.
It's now going to 1 week.
Ichi, don't say that now. I have already explained to you what happened. Ichi, I promise you, I'll finish the job by myself, please.
I will give you no further kobo until you finish that job. Are you hearing me? And I promise you that I will deduct from that money. Yes?
Ichi, it's not possible now.
It's a redundant money. Listen to me. Eh? The job, 2 days job, is going to 1 week now. All the inconveniences I've suffered, going to inspect it often and on, and everything, even the food. In fact, let me not hear you again talk about that job until you finish it. Or you deliver it, you let me know, go and check it and pay you off.
But it's not fair. You cannot be deducting the money now. At least, I'll promise that I'll finish the job.
I have already deducted it already. It's already deducted already, so don't even go there. What I'm saying is this: go and finish the job and package your nonsense selves with you, that of your lousy friend, all of you, and never come near me at all. Lazy don't be cheer me, go and do what I ask you to do. Nonsense. 2 days work. Give banana, money, now we're for 1 week.
My son dislocated his waist while working in Mazi Bekwe's farmland. He needs to be treated before school resumes.
Ngozi.
No.
If I talk now, you will say I don't want to help my nephew. Ngozi, you were there when I asked Ejike to go to the city and learn a trade. And he insisted on going to school. Even when he knew that he does not have the means for formal education. You said you want to be like China Achabe? Or also school?
Okay, Nai, please. Eh? Allow me to harvest your plantain. The one at Okili, Okili, Chachagacha. Let me harvest it and sell it out at the market. I promise to bring the capital after sales. Pico, Pico. Eh? Let me use the remaining to solve my problem.
That's not possible. That's not possible because the way things are going in this country now, nobody's even supposed to go to any man's house to beg. And you know it. Obodo bigwe. Ngasi na mara n'obodo kpọrọ akpọ.
Nani obodo bulu mi igwe ndị nọ na ya ga-aga no. Eh? Anya ga-apụzi aga. Nyelu maka, help me. Help me, please. Oh, I didn't say you should go and harvest it. Allow me to harvest. I will sell. Bring the capital. Just take the capital. Then I will use the profit to solve my problem. Obokwano, Pikono.
You are making this thing look as if I am wicked. I am not. But because I can't help you. I cannot help you. At this age, your son should be the one bringing things to me and not the other way around. Eh? Let him go to the city and find something to do. Like his mates. Why would your son be pestering around, disturbing everybody? You know what to do. Talk to that boy.
Hey! Ijewa. 9, please. Pico.
There's nothing I can do. You're making it look as if I'm wicked. When I'm trying to help you and help the future of the family.
Okay.
You're disturbing yourself.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. When? Badanya. Rapu, Ijiji. I'm with peace. Eh? Yeah. Omo ogbe ya no na township. Na ebunata ego, ebunata akpa rice, ebunata mmanụ, ebunata mmanya.
Mama. Mama, welcome.
Thank you.
Come now. Oh, this one your face is like this. How did it go? Mama, talk to me now. How did it go?
Your uncle refused.
Oh, I knew it, Mama. That wicked and selfish, ugly man. I knew it. I know he was not going to give you anything.
Please, stop calling him names. It is farmland after all, so he decides who goes there and who should.
And so what? Mama, and so? Are you kidding me right now? Mama, I can remember when my papa was still alive. He used to call them to come and pack some cassavas here. Already harvested one, Mama. Already harvested once.
Please, where is Ejike?
He went out not quite long.
I hope he has not stubbornly gone to do work in someone's farm.
Mama, I don't think so. He went to go and look for some money to pay up that storekeeper that treated him after he fell on the farm.
He went to go and look for some money. So, money is now roaming the village.
Mama, what do you expect him to do now? Mama. Mama, I didn't know. I wanted to tell you not to go to that man's house because I knew he wasn't going to give you anything.
Please, can you stop? Please.
So, were you able to raise our money?
No, I wasn't. I thought Mazibiko said he was going to give us something from our pay.
No, he refused to pay.
What?
Yeah. He even threatened to deduct our money.
That man should be careful. That man should be careful, though. What's the meaning of this now?
Calm down, calm down.
What? Don't tell me to calm down.
Calm down. This is not the time to be raising temper. Come on, what you should be thinking about is how to pay back the nurse balance. Huh? It's not everybody that will give out goods to strangers. She was really kind.
That lady is kind, though.
Yes.
That lady is nice. Huh? How do I even raise up 1,700 naira now to pay her? I'm tired.
You know what? Take this 2,000 naira. I was supposed to give it to Amara for her hairdo. She has been disturbing me, but let's use it and settle that lady first.
Okay. One name. Thank you. Thank you. Look, I will pay you back.
Don't worry
I'll pay you back.
See, don't worry about that. As for the remaining farm work, I'll finish it and I will get our balance from Mazi before.
Hey,
okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's okay.
Okay, Kibo.
It's okay.
I came to pay up the balance as promised, and also appreciate you for what you did for me yesterday. I mean, who will just give medicines to strangers on credit? Thank you so much.
Don't mention. I just felt it was my little way of helping because I could tell you were in severe pains yesterday. How do you feel now? Hope much better.
I feel okay, kind of. At least for now.
For now? You said? How long have you been having this waist and back pain?
for about 6 years now.
6 years? Have you tried seeing a radiographer? I mean, to get it x-rayed?
I would have loved to do that. But where would I get the money? And even if I conduct an x-ray, I don't think I'll have the resource to follow up. God bless you. Thank you so much. I'll take my leave now.
Please. I overheard you and your friend yesterday. And I can tell the financial situation you are in. Give me a minute. Take this 5,000 naira, see a radiographer and get it x-rayed. Take.
Thank you, Mom.
My name is Helen. Please let me know how it goes. Also, remember, no taking of anything cold.
Yes, thank you. God bless you, Mom. God bless you. Helen.
You're welcome.
I'll leave now.
Baby, how's your friend HUK?
He's okay for now. He's on drugs and he has been asked to quit any strenuous work for now.
This is waist pain is getting out of hand.
Honestly, it's just getting worse and worse by the day. I wish there are more I could do to help.
I feel so bad for his mother and his younger sister. How are they taking this?
I do not know. Honestly. I don't know. I am bothered as well. I mean, for how long are we supposed to suffer before God remembers us?
Maybe it's okay, it's fine. God will remember us. Okay? Baby, what about the 2,000 you promised me for my hair?
Babe, see, I did not forget about it. In fact, I had that 2,000 naira with me. But I had to lend it to my friend AJK for his medical bills. But you know what? I promise you, between now and tomorrow, I'll give it to you. Okay?
This money is taking too long to come. Oh. Huh?
Babe, see, I promise you. In fact, I'll make it 3,000. Please. Okay?
You're sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Patrick.
Hey, Mama.
You're welcome. Oh.
Thank you so much.
I'll go on the heka. How is South Africa?
Mama, South Africa is fine. How are you?
You can see when I'm fine. Edu kwam gandu.
What about Helen?
Helen kwa? Helen, she's in her store. I thought you passed through there before coming here.
Oh no, Mama. I actually called on the phone and I told her I was around. Yes, Mama. Hi.
I have something for. Let me go inside and get you some.
No, Mama, don't bother. You know, I actually came to give you what I got for you from South Africa.
Oh,
yes, Mama.
Hey!
Mama, don't worry. Oh yes, Mama, it's so good. It's so good, Mama. Oh, just don't worry. Let me get it from the car.
Thank you very much.
Hi, Mama.
You're welcome. Lekwano Patrick Biko. Nkira gi nwaka. Lekwano Nkira so kwano ihe na-eme. Patrick. Nkira is not enjoying no.
How was your trip there?
Oh, it was fine. So how have you been?
I've been good too.
Wow.
You don't look bad at all.
You too. You'll never stop flattering me. Well, I'm just coming from your house. I met with your mom already.
Oh, you have?
Yes, I did.
Okay. SA looks really good on you.
Well,
honestly.
Let's thank God. Why don't you just go out and have some drink like the good old days?
Well, you're lucky my sales girl is on holiday. Charity, Auntie, please look after the shop and call me if anyone comes here looking for me personally. Okay, ma. Alright, let's go.
Alright.
Patrick!
Oh, I miss you, you know.
You just been enjoying your money, you know.
Oh, but you enjoy your money too. Hope you enjoyed the outing.
I did. I had fun.
Wow, this is good.
I can't stop staring at you, Patrick.
Why?
You've really transformed. Hey. I'm so happy for you.
Let's thank God. You see, life in South Africa is not that easy. But I thank God for the grace to settle in. Yeah. So enough about me. What about your friend Nancy?
Nancy, she's fine. She'll be passing out from her national service next week.
Wow, that's good. I remember how I was always inviting her to my house. Nancy, my crush that year.
Oh, please. Every girl was literally your crush that year. I hope you've quit humanizing.
No, of course I'll stop down. That was the old Patrick. I'm a new man now. All things have passed away. Trust me. As a matter of fact, I came home to look for a bride.
Really?
Yes.
Hey, my friend is now sounding like a real man should.
Of course I am.
Wait, are you trying to tell me that you do not have any serious girl in South Africa?
Oh, trust me. I wouldn't be coming home for this course if I did.
Oh, please. Please, 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 please. If we're having any conversation, remove trust from there. Patrick, I know you now. We both know you.
Oh, but that was then.
We know you.
No, that was then.
You used to be a bad boy.
I agree, but that was then. Now I'm a changed man.
Patrick, what you did to girls?
That was then.
What you did to girls?
That was then. Come on, Helen, I'm a changed man.
Please take me back. Take me back to the shop.
It's okay, I'll take you back to the shop. But trust me, I'm a changed man now.
I just hope so.
Come in, let me take you home with the speed of light.
Since the x-ray showed that you have a dislocation in your waist, what they wrote here is in order. But how come? Have you been involved in an accident before?
Yes. A few years ago, while I was struggling to fend for myself and my family, I engaged in all forms of manual labor. I even tapped palm wine. You know, one of those mornings, while I was tapping, I lost my grip and fell from the tree. I was referred to a bone healer in Abakaliki. He did all he could. And after 6 months, I started working.
Well, I think it would be better you treat it now that you're still young.
Where do I start from? I'm still struggling to pay for my tuition, more or less treat myself of this.
It's okay. It's fine. Just take things easy. Personally, I'll still give you some drugs and supplements.
No. I found it difficult to pay you for the last ones you gave to me. How would I pay you for this one?
It's okay, it's fine. I'm giving it to you for free.
Free?
No, please don't do that. I am not God. I just feel sorry over your situation and I wish I could do more. Charity!
Ma!
Ma? Please bring the supplement and analgesic we bought last week.
Okay, ma.
Thank you so much.
This is not fair now. Our balance is supposed to be 10,000 naira, so why are you giving us 5,000 naira?
Look at this loafer. No, Feka. Wait. 5,000 naira is what you just called just. Eh? 5,000, a whole 5,000 naira, you called it just. An amount you know you can never afford in your entire generation. Okay, when I told you I was going to make a deduction because of your delay, you thought I was bluffing?
No, Ichia, this is not the way things are done. Agreement is agreement. So complete our money, please. Complete our money.
Oh, stop! Enough of that nonsense. What are you talking about? I paid you for the job you've done for me. Why are you still insisting?
No, you completed the job. You said it's 10,000 naira. And you just complete our money with 10,000 naira. What's all this now?
Are you putting it into my mouth? Or what?
That was what we agreed on.
What I've given you now is what I have budgeted for this job. That is exactly what I can afford. If you're not satisfied with it, then take me to court. Take me to court. Nonsense. Take me to court. Idiot. I am sure that in your entire generation, no one has seen 5,000 naira for the first time. Fool.
No, Ichia, this is not going to.
It's okay.
5,000 naira, and you are here talking rubbish. Can you afford it in your life? Can you? If the entire generation can afford 5,000. Rubbish.
Let go. Let him go. Let him go.
How can I let this man get away with this now? What's all this? You should complete our money. How are we even going to share this money?
It's okay now. Look, you can actually have the balance. Besides, you're the one that completed the job.
Don't say that. You know we both need this money.
I know, but look, remember that chemist lady I told you about?
That nurse girl.
You know she gave me 5,000 there. Apart from 5,000, she also gave me supplements and some drugs for pains and all.
Are you for free?
For free.
Are you serious?
Guy, just did.
God, just be wait. Wait, she gave me free drugs.
See, come. Don't worry. I'll just kill. Leave this man, let him know what I do.
I know.
I swear. Trust me, don't want to know about it.
Patrick,
Oh, yes,
I am really happy for you. You've done so well for yourself. This is huge.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm trying to see if I can finish this building before the end of the year and then settle down as a man.
Really?
Oh,
yeah. Hey! Is it you that is sounding like this?
Of course it's me.
Hey, my friend is sounding like a real man.
Sure.
I'm so happy.
Oh, thank you
This
so
is my
much.
first time hearing you sound like this.
Oh, really?
You.
Me?
You.
Me?
You.
Of course me.
Wow. Interesting.
Yeah, okay, that's enough. Enough about me. No, let's talk about you. So tell me about your boyfriend. Who is he and what does he do for a living?
Well, Patrick, sorry to disappoint you. I am not in any serious relationship.
You're not serious.
Right now, I'm more focused on making a good living for myself and my mom.
But what other good living are you talking about? Oh, come on, Helen. You're an independent woman, an auxiliary nurse. Every folk outside the country would go for a woman like you.
Yes. Thank you for trying to make my head swell. Please come and take me back to the shop. I've stayed away for too long.
But just when we have not finished this conversation.
No problem.
Trust me, you're doing well.
What is your problem? You don't listen to people, you don't take advice. Ejike, I'm talking to you. This school can wait. It can wait. You need to get better before you do any other thing. I'm talking, you are going out. You're not making Nigeria.
Mama, what is it now? Eh? Mama, you know how much I suffered to get admission into university. School is ongoing. I cannot go back to school because I have no money. And yet you expect me to sit back and relax. Sit back and relax and do what?
Is this school a do or die affair? In fact, I am beginning to realize that your uncle Obaka was right after all. You should have gone to Ghana to join your cousin and learn a trade.
Mama, did you just say this?
Yes.
Mama, thank you. Thank you for the advice. But Mama, let me tell you something. I would not relent. I will not stop in the struggle to go back to school. I will do anything it takes. Whatever it takes. Even if it means me going cripple, I will do it. Mama, leave me alone.
Mama, have you seen what your brother is spitting out of his mouth? Did you hear your brother?
Mama, please just calm down. Stop shouting, please. Remember your health condition.
I will shout. I will shout because your brother, my only son, have made me lose it.
Mama, please just calm down. What do you expect Bro Ejike to do? What? Do you expect him to sit back here and wait for help when you and I know that no one is coming forth? Moreover, Mama, my brother is too brilliant to drop out of school. Mama, I don't support that one.
Today.
Mama.
Okay, na sula sopere. Ina sulu mo ibo. Me, Beke. Chinenye, if you don't take time, one day, I will miraculously, aggressively descend on you.
But Mama, you know I'm saying the truth though. You know it.
Just stop it somebody.
You come out and see me. I'll be here waiting for you. I'm not going anywhere today. Don't near me, just stay outside though. Mama, stop now. Somebody might think I'm soup. Open the door to talk to your brother. You're the devil. Shut up, brother. Shut up, idiot. Don't come back, oh. Just stay there until he returns.
Why would you ask me to pay you additional fee to fix the heart system of my generator? Why?
See, madam, I'll tell you the truth. See, if you want make I fix the heart starting wahala for you, you move and come my shop. Because na service you pay me for. You even get yourself, I even help you change the oil.
You must be out of your mind.
Me?
You are sick in the head.
I'm not sick in the head. Wait. That's you don't know me, oh. Don't tell me. Me? You tell me you dey sick now. You tell me you dey sick. I was so like what there for you.
Shut up.
No.
Shut up. Imagine this fool. I paid him to fix my generator for me. He brought it back without fixing the heart starting problem he has. Who does that?
See, madam, I tell you. See, if you like, go invite all your ex-boyfriends or your boyfriends. See, I tell you, I know they do work for you. If one might fix them for you, if move and come shop, I'll fix them for you. You see this year, I know they agree for anybody. So what I'll tell you now.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hey, Oga, see, Who put your man for there?
That's not to speak to your customers, especially a lady.
Hey, woman, who put your man for this matter now? Eh? Who put your mouth? Who invite you? Okay, me and this auntie they talk. Now one come, one use me shine for this auntie, but they they hype, they find woman where they hide. See, I tell you, if you don't take your time, I will chill for you. No.
Are you talking to me?
Hey, now you be who?
Are you talking to me?
I'm talking to me.
No, allow me. You must get up. Allow me. Let me teach this idiot a lesson. Idiot. No, come now. You don't have to talk to a lady. What did you say the problem is?
I don't really know. It was having issues of going off on its own. And then her starting problems.
Do you have plug spanner?
My neighbor usually comes to borrow them and she does not return them.
No problem. I will just ask around. I'll be right back.
Thank you very much.
Just hold on.
Stupid boys. Touts.
Even change the plug. These plugs are bad.
Really?
Yes. Don't worry, I would clean it up. Okay, I'm sure once I'm done with this, the gen will come on.
Thank you so much.
This is someone that said service this gen.
Thank you.
No, it's fine now. I'll get done with this now. Fair to me. You know, I have to walk around the clock to take care of my mother and my sister. I'm also to sustain myself in school because I vowed to get a university degree. It's so sad that I'm not physically fit to, you know, work and raise up money to go back to school.
Honestly, AGK, I feel so sorry about your story. You sound so brilliant and determined. You deserve better. Your mom is just being more concerned about your health and well-being. You won't blame her. So, what do you intend to do now?
Truthfully, I don't know where to go from here. I'll just go out, you know, go in search of a job or something.
And how much is your fees?
98,500 for a session.
That's huge. How do you intend to raise it within the limited time frame? You know what? Come by the weekend, let me see the little I can contribute to help.
No. Listen, you've really done a lot for me. I mean, it's too much.
It's fine. Just come by Saturday. And you can have my phone number as well.
My phone got bad. Well, I'm going to fix it by the end of today. Miss Helen, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It's fine. Come on. It's okay. Okay. Yes. You take one in the morning, one in the evening after your meal. Don't forget to take enough fruits. Okay. I'll call you later to check up on you. Alright. Bye.
Business call, right?
Yes, Mama. I was giving drug prescription to my people.
Oh. I guess you've been talking to Patrick.
Of course. I was even with him yesterday.
That's the kind of update I love to hear. That young man has made it big in South Africa. And even in this village, I heard he's building a very big mansion.
He is. He is.
My daughter, come and sit down. From the look of things, I think he's set to settle down with a woman.
Well, he's a man. And he knows when best to do that and with who to.
Do you want to tell me that he hasn't told you anything? Or are you people still playing hide and seek game? Talk to your mother now.
I don't know where this discussion is heading to. As for me, I am more focused on being responsible to myself. I will not, can never condescend so low to start being desperate for marriage.
No. Here you go again. Always claiming unnecessary principles. Eh? You think you are a baby, isn't it? That your mates are not yet in their husband's house. At your age, you have rejected 2 young, prominent and wealthy men in this community that came to ask for your hand in marriage. You think you are going to live here with me forever? I don't understand this girl, no. Eh? Can you hear the ha?
Your beauty. You have to tell me who is behind it.
Oh, please. Stop flattering me. But let us say it's peace of mind.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I see. I think I need this peace of mind also because I need to be glowing the way you are. Honestly.
Oh my God. Girl, I don't need to ask you anything because I can see that service looks really good on you.
My darling, you can see that again. It's the last story.
Charity! Come.
Oh my God.
Come.
Yeah, hi.
Come, go and buy something really chilled for my friend.
No, don't worry. I'm fine, okay? Baby girl, I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, seeing you alone, I'm filled. I am.
Okay, go. That reminds me.
Okay.
This guy is back.
Who?
Patrick.
Patrick?
Yes, and he's been asking after you.
You mean he's back into this country?
Yeah, he came back and he's been asking after you. Your crush. Bye.
You started again. You have. You know, it's not as if I never did like him or have feelings for him. I did. I was just skeptical about him because he's a womanizer. I don't want such men in my life.
Well, you're not far from the truth.
Yes.
But I think he's a lot more mature and responsible since he arrived. Because I have not seen nor heard about him and any girl.
Good for him. Baby girl, I am not here to discuss Patrick. I am here to catch up with you. So tell me, how is Mama?
She's fine. She's fine.
She's so happy to see you. I can't wait to see her. I really missed her. I bought her some wrapper. You're going to stay long, right? Of course, I'm back. I'm back for good.
You're done?
I'm done.
My goodness!
The girl is done!
Yay! Oh, Patrick, what is for me?
Yes.
What are we celebrating now?
Hey. Mama, it's nothing much. Just calm down now. You see, my mother told me that coming Sunday will be Mothering Sunday. So I decided to get you these few gifts.
Hey! What this gift for me?
Right, Mama.
You decided to get me all these precious, special gifts.
Mama, you deserve more.
Yes. They are quite expensive. The material self, if you touch it, only make sure you're now. Very beautiful clothes.
Yes, Mama.
Speaking, God will bless you.
Amen.
Wherever this money came out from, God will replace it.
Amen.
Your pocket will never go dry.
Amen.
In the name of Jesus.
Amen.
Thank you so much. Hey! I'm going to display it on Sunday.
Mama, you can even wear 2 on Sunday. 2 at a time.
Yes.
Yes.
That's my son. All right. Let me go and prepare something for you.
Okay.
Abacha.
Hi. Mama. Your abacha tastes nice. I still remember those days.
Don't worry. You surprised me. I will surprise this your story. Don't worry. Let me go and do the abacha. I'm coming.
Martin, you back out.
I will.
AGK, here is a cash sum of 80,000 naira. Use it for your tuition fee and start lectures.
Mama, no. Why?
Take it.
Where do I start from? How come you're helping a man you even barely know?
Look, AGK, you're no longer a stranger to me. Right from the very moment you told me about your ordeal, I saw in you a zealous, determined young man who is ready to succeed against all odds. I admire your determination, and I also want to share in it.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It's only God that can repay you for this act of kindness. Thank you.
It's okay. I'm happy that you were happy. It gladdens my heart.
Thank you.
You mean to tell me that she gave you a whooping sum of 80,000 naira after all the healthcare support?
Mm-hmm. All feels like a dream, right?
Wow. Should I tell you what I think about this whole thing?
What?
I think she likes you.
Come on, Vito, I'm talking about something serious. You're talking about somebody liking me. Have you seen her? Do you see how learned she is? No, have you seen how can you say a lady like that would like a broke student like me. That's practically impossible now.
Okay, see, let me presume you were blinded by pains that you could not even notice the look in her eyes the very first day we went there. Bro, with the look in her eyes, I could tell that she really, really liked you. For real.
Look, all these are just mere assumptions, okay? I just want to focus on my studies and make the best out of it.
Bro, forget this, you know. Babes know they give man money for a girl to give you drugs for free. And she gave you 80k. Come on. Ha.
Guys, enough of this gist. You guys come and eat.
There's weevil on this, so.
Yes, Mama.
Hi.
It's just that
we forgot to put dried pepper white story in it.
Ma, not you, it's you.
Ma, to go.
Mama, no, you don't go opposite here, you say. But please leave me alone.
Chinenya, Mama, are you telling me that someone paid your brother's school fees?
Ah, Mama, yes, so. Not only that, do you know he even told me that she's been taking care of his medical support?
Oh. It's a she.
Yes, Mama. He told me that we will get to see her very soon. So, I'm expecting to see her.
Hi. Is she?
Which one is this she?
I'm a bit worried though.
About what again now?
I just hope it's not one of these old women that go about caging little boys who are desperately in need of fortune.
Ha!
No, certain fortune.
Oh!
Pico.
Mama, how can you say such? You should know your son better. He told me in full confidence that the lady is still very young and vibrant. So don't think that way.
Have you seen her? Is she your age?
Mama, how am I supposed to know that? I've not
How
seen her now.
old is she?
I just told you what my brother told me. He told me. So I believe him.
He told you?
Yes.
Okay. I just pray. I pray that she's young. I cannot wait to see this good Samaritan that God has been using to shame my mockers in this village.
Mama, me too.
Me too, we're young.
Mama, I'm not young. Very, very young. Mama, stop.
I told you there's weed.
Mama, that way me. Mama, you startled me.
The items Patrick gifted me for Modern Sunday, have you called him to thank him?
I'll do that later.
That's what I don't like about you. Always procrastinating. He brought out his time, his resources to gift me those powerful gifts. Yet you don't want to call to appreciate him. Or the number.
Mama, why are you making me feel like an ingrate? Patrick and I are very cool friends. I can always call him anytime to appreciate him specially.
Helen, please yourself. Oh, that's what I want to tell you. If you know, please don't go ahead.
Patrick, I want to thank you for all you've been doing for Mama and I. Honestly, I appreciate you've done too much.
Oh, that's okay, Helen. We are like family now. I am only doing everything out of my own free will. Oh, come on.
Thank you.
Yeah. What's wrong?
I have to leave now.
In that case, let me drop you off.
Oh, no. Thank you. I'll see you sick person before going to the shop.
Oh, come on, Helen. I insist.
It's fine, Patrick.
Patrick! Hey! Oh, Mama Chineke. Patrick, see, I was amazed when Helen told me your back, things has really changed for you. Oh, I'm so happy for you. I mean, you've really done a lot for yourself.
Yeah, God has been awesome.
I can
He's
see.
been a faithful God. Let's thank God.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. But, Patrick, I hope you've changed from your old ways. Yes, so stop laughing, because you know you're not a serious person. You're in a skirt in a game. That's how you be changing them. As if you're changing rapper or you're changing your boxers. Today, a different person. Tomorrow, the next person.
You stop, Nancy. Nancy, I'm a changed man. Yes.
Chineke Mama Jehovah. Thank you, Jesus. So you've changed.
That was in the past. Listen, Nancy. Please, I really want you to help me talk to your friend.
Which of my friend, if I may ask?
Helen.
Helen?
Yes. She's been acting strange.
Helen? Well, Helen has been your childhood buddy. So what would be making you two quarrel? Wait. Are you sure you did not ask her to sleep with you?
Oh. Come off it, Nancy. No. You know I won't do that. I wouldn't compromise our friendship for sex.
Okay.
I don't even know what I did to her. I mean, there's anything wrong I did to her, she should tell me. At least I will apologize.
This is serious.
The worst is, she doesn't take my calls. And even if she picks up, she'll be sounding formal.
Really?
Yes.
This is serious, so. Okay, not to worry. I will go to her shop and speak to her.
Oh, please do, please.
If I find out anything, I will let you know.
Alright, just keep me informed. But talk to her for me, please.
I will. I'm so happy for you, Patrick. Patrick! Hey! You're welcome.
Nancy, let me drop you.
Don't worry, I'll be fine. I'll just go to her shop.
Okay, please. Don't forget, talk to her, please.
I will. The one God has started in your life, let me become an.
Okay, amen.
So, how have studies been?
Fine. Just normal school stressed. I missed a lot. I resumed late now, but I needed to cover up.
Oh, you definitely will. I feel so happy seeing that you're a lot happy.
Thank you.
It gladdens my heart.
So, yes, I was thinking of inviting you over to my place. Yes.
Really?
My mother and my sister want to see you in person and appreciate you.
I'll be obliged to meet them too. So let's say on Sunday, after church service, I'll give you a call to find my way to your place.
Sunday is fine. I'm glad to be your host.
Oh,
I'll take my leave now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you for everything.
EGK, I think I'm growing fond of you. There's this thing about you that I like so much. And
oh, give me my baby girl. Good to see you.
You look so good.
Yes.
Meet my friend EGK. EGK Nancy, my very good friend from childhood.
Oh, nice to meet you.
My pleasure.
I'll have to run along now.
Okay then, alright.
Okay,
Bye.
Bye, Nancy.
Bye. On can have you. Who is it?
What's that?
No, I mean, you know, I saw the way people were doing make you know, the look. My sister, come and gist me.
Please.
Come and gist me. Please sit down.
I just introduced him to you as my friend. You didn't hear that?
But, you know, the look. I saw the way you two were just gazing at each other. Talk to me. You want to hide something from me? Okay, no problem. I have really missed you, my darling.
Are you sure you have? I just want to hear gossip.
I've missed you. Haven't you missed me?
You're good.
Thank you, my darling.
He told me his story and I felt sorry for him. So I rendered the help I could at that time. That's why he has come to show appreciation.
Yeah. Good for him. My dear, that's not the reason I'm here. I'm here because of Patrick. What's happening? What's up with you two? I want to know. You know, he complained to me. He said you've been giving him attitude lately. Why?
Wait a minute. So, it has gotten to the extent where he now goes about reporting me to everybody. What's bad if a young woman wants to maintain her own space? Huh? Hey, goodness. Wait. Am I betrothed to him?
Helen, you're taking this too far. You're blowing it out of proportion. That's not nice. He's a friend. I'm your friend too. So who else do you expect to come in if I am not the one?
It's okay, it's okay. Let's not make a mountain out of a molehill. I'll call him later. I only wanted my space then because I was going through some issues. But I'm fine now.
Issues? Issues I'm not aware of?
I said I am fine now.
Okay, but I don't want you to be angry with him. Patrick is a nice guy.
It's okay. It's not a big deal. It's fine.
Okay.
So about you, what about that guy you told me?
No, I don't want.
But you say you liked him.
Change my mind.
No. This is Obanji.
Okay. Are you okay? What's the matter?
I'm fine. It's just that I've been thinking about the medicine store lady that has been helping AGK for a while now. What if she asks for something in return?
Something like what? The little I know about Ellen, I know she's a nice person, so why are you bearing thoughts of negativity?
Sorry, baby. It's not like I'm trying to be negative. It's just that women hardly help unconditionally, especially when it has to do with men.
Oh, really? So how many men today help women without asking for anything in return?
Babe, you are taking this the wrong way. Look, I'm sorry if it sounds like I'm generalizing, okay?
Obina, keep your apologies to yourself. You've always borne this prejudice against women. You know what? I'm not going to sit here and watch you spoil my mood.
Babe,
I am leaving, please.
Babe, calm down now. It doesn't go to that. Chichi.
Mother?
Hmm?
Mama! Mama, come on, they are here! No. Welcome. Thank you.
Mama?
AGK.
Mama?
You're welcome.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
Mama, this is Helen. The lady I told you about that takes care of my education and health challenges. And Helen, this is my mother and my younger sister, Chinea.
My pleasure.
Hey! No. Hey! You're welcome. I'm welcome.
How are you? Thank you. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
You're welcome. Thank you, ma. Hey, Mama, sit down now. Sit down.
How are you, ma?
I'm good, my dear. Hey, you're welcome. Oh,
thank you, ma.
Hi. Thank you. Thank you for helping my son. Ejike has been narrating on how you have been paying his bills. From school bill, medication, name it. In fact, let me sincerely thank you on how you have been taking good care of us. God bless you.
Something, Mama.
You know, young ladies of this day, they see it as men priority for providing. Look at you, helping a full-grown man you barely know.
It's fine. We thank God.
Tell me, who are your parents? Because certainly they raised a beautiful soul in you.
Thank you for the compliment. My father is late Chief Peter Osondo, while my mother is Mrs. Nena Osondo, and I happen to be their only child.
Wait, Peter Osondo. Peter Osondo was one time a PG of this community.
Yes, Mama.
Hey! I know your mother! Nana! Hey, Gidigbam. I often see her at the market whenever I go to buy things. Hey, Ozuka. She raised a beautiful soul.
Thank you.
Hey! Thank you, my dear. Thank you. Chi, hurry up with the picking now. Hurry up. We have visitor. We are preparing Sunday rice. Let me go and help her so that we'll do it quick. Sit with her now. She's well acquainted. Don't kiss you, man. Let us go to the kitchen. I'm coming, oh. I will bring fruit for you.
My mother's so dramatic.
I love her already.
Do you need anything? Like, what can I offer you?
Fine, I'm good.
Okay.
Fun.
Wow, so, I mean, you don't know what this is. Thank you very much.
Talking about your sister, is she in school also?
Not really. She graduated from vocational school years after I did. She helps Mama at the market because she's not been able to find something profitable to do. In fact, the private school where she was teaching, they owed her a huge sum of money, 4 months salary. After stressing the young girl, she had to quit. She had to quit now. There's nothing to do.
But she does not have to limit her search to just teaching jobs. It's even better to acquire a skill. That way she can grow faster.
She has a skill, a very good one. In fact, she has always wanted to be a seamstress. And you need to see her. She sews very well, very, very well.
Really?
But the only issue is I've not been able to raise enough capital for her to get the necessary facility she needs.
I have a friend who is a high-profile seamstress. I'll link Chineye to her. So that she can top up her experience and start up on her own subsequently.
Are you serious? Yo. Thank you very much. Thank you.
When you see two lovers, you gonna know it they show for their body. True love, not the hide the atom. If you call me dear, I could call you my dearest.
I'll be on my way now. My friend is waiting for me.
You be my
No
love.
problem. No problem.
You be my
Take care of yourself.
If you call me dear, I could call you my dearest. Jiggy jiggy mo, jiggy, heli heli mo, heli. Now you I want to, now you be my choice. If you call me dear, I could call you my dearest. Jiggy jiggy mo, jiggy, heli heli mo, heli. I know Kia, I know Sandy. Now you be my choice. Oh, be me someone. See you alone makes my heart to wake. Oh, be me someone.
I'm so sorry, my dear. I was in the middle of a serious conversation. I'm sorry.
Leave me. Hafumbiko.
I'm sorry now.
I've been here waiting for you. I will call you. You will tell me you're very, very close. You're on the way. You're on the way. I was just here waiting.
I said I'm sorry. Not to verse for me now.
Make I no verse. But I the verse so. It's okay. Hele, see, you need to call Patrick. Because he promised to take us out this evening. So you don't even need to go to that your shop or open it today. No need. As for me, I'm already making arrangements for that. You know about that point and kill? That place where they sell the game point and kill. Now where will they go? Helly, are you listening to me at all? Why are you blushing?
I was with him when you called.
You were with who?
I was with AGK.
AGK. Chekwaro. Wait. You mean the boy I met in your shop the other day? I don't understand. What are you doing with that boy? What relationship do you people share?
And since when have you become my mother to ask me such kind of question?
Helen, I'm your friend. I should know what is happening. Talk to me. What do you share with that boy?
Nancy. I have to be honest with you.
Okay.
AGK and I have been friends for a while now. And with the way things are going, I think I'm in love with him.
You're what? You see, in love with him. Wonder shall never cease. You're in love with that boy. Ha! Biko Putawa, there is no road there. How can you be in love with him? That's not possible. Ha! Please, remove him from your mind. Like I said, Patrick is taking us out today. So get ready, let's be going.
Anyway, say whatever you want. I have told you, right?
Helly!
Nana, I am more worried.
Why?
I don't know what is keeping my son from doing the needful. I thought by now he would have informed his kinsmen about his intention to get married to Helen.
Nkiru, you don't need to worry so much. Your son has been seeing us time to time. And he sees my daughter Helen quite often. Everything is under control.
I can't wait to see these children live together as husband and wife. You know they have been friends since their childhood.
It will happen soon. I think your son wants to finish his house project first. Don't worry.
Nana, this house project is not an excuse. Yes, it's not an excuse.
You think so?
I can't wait to see them live together. As one. Yes. Very soon. Two of us are going to become in love.
Look, Obinna, the way you spoke to Amara the other time wasn't good at all. I mean, you can't just compare all ladies to be users. There are some of them that love unconditionally. Yes, ladies like Helen.
Look, Ejike, I'm not disputing the fact that Helen likes you a lot. And she has been good to you and your family. But have you ever imagined what will happen if both of you end up together? And she ends up providing more than you. Your respect as a man will be compromised.
I totally disagree with you. Yes, there are still good ones out there. Respectful ladies. Look, do you know that Helen has promised to enroll my sister in the tailoring class?
You don't mean it?
Yeah, I mean it. That's even list of the good news.
Why they keep the gist? I just mean what is they saw? Guy, talk to me, Joe.
I beg you.
Talk to me, my guy. What's up? God, die, I swear, man. All you do in your head, I swear. wait, tell me the truth. Have you guys been to the other room?
Which kind of reasoning this boy get?
I don't want this now. You want like...
Look, I've never had a thought of that at all. Please. I'm going to use you and your upward.
Saint Ejike.
Please.
Saint Ejike. See you.
Let's see. Stop treating him like that. Don't talk to like that.
Wow, just calm down, Bobo.
Yes, Mama, I enjoyed myself.
Yes, I cooked it.
I trust you. The taste of your food have not changed, Mama. This is your magic fingers. You keep doing wonders in the kitchen.
Yes. Oh. Pat, how long did you say you will be staying in Port Harcourt?
Oh, Mama, I won't stay long. Okay, I'll come back before the completion of my new apartment.
Okay. One more thing. How far have you gone with Nena's daughter? I thought she's one of the reasons you came home. That girl, she's very decent, hardworking. And if you waste more time, another man will grab her from you.
No way.
Will take her from you. And I wouldn't like that.
No way, Mama. No way. Mama, not in this life.
Okay, if you say so. Please, if you are going, drive well. Drive very carefully and safe journey, okay?
I will. Thank you so much.
Let me open gate for you.
Hey, Mama, no, don't bother, okay? Let me just do it. Don't stress yourself now. Eh? Mama, this is a very easy job for me to do.
Hey! My son! Oh my God, you're welcome. I've been working. Papa, you are not looking. How was the journey? The journey was smooth. But you look good. Just turn around, turn. Don't worry, daddy. Don't worry, father. Hey! Odogu. The gods of our land, I thank you. Thank you for bringing my son home safely. In this form, with this beautiful, powerful. Hey, my friend is bringing the second one here. Hey, you're welcome. Please, let's go inside. That's your usual palm wine. Hey, Baba, it wasn't easy, it was not easy. Okay, it was not easy. But in everything, I give God the glory. But you won't believe that in Dubai, na Ghana, there are many. We were many. Our set, we were many. So many boys. We were there hustling. Finally, if we're going to everything. Thank God. Thank God. At least now, there was my complaint. Yes. If we're going to enjoyment again. Yes, you are now a man. Thank you very much. I thank God for you. Yes, sir. You know, that's just the way of a man. sometimes one have to leave his comfort zone and go out there and make breakthrough.
Right.
Eh? You don't stay one place. I don't know if they kill him more.
At all.
Yes. And Obula down and work that can I go. Oh, me that's quite kunie.
Yeah, be issue.
If only was a gear and in a kunie, Manezoku.
Oh, but Obona come on a village. You know where I would have been now.
That reminds me.
What of Ejike and his mother?
That one? He's still deceiving himself. He's still deceiving himself that he wants to go to school, that he wants to be a university graduate. Eh? Please forget Ejike. Eh?
Huh. University. I wonder why that boy doesn't want to hustle like others and make money. He's there talking about going to university and all that.
Omo, let's just even forget about Ejike. You know what? If we come up now with any family project, Ejike will not contribute shishi. Shishi, a dime. And he's not even ashamed. Look at his friends, his mates are making money, hustling. He will not be ashamed even when he's not making 1 naira. So, because Rapoku Ejike, eh? Because can one man, eh?
Oh, good day. Please be fast. I'm just at the junction waiting for you. What happened to your bike again? Eh? I'm late to the shop. Please, I'm waiting for you. I'm late.
Hi. What is up? Ogene. Onye ka na gwara abacha. Ewu one ga ati igwa bikon. Nwakekwan. How are you? Good day. How can a beautiful girl like you be akulu now? Kebi na go webi. Ina ga kam. Eh? You are not supposed to be standing under the sun. You are such a beauty. I don't know.
Thanks for your concern, but I do not ride with strangers.
Oh, straight. Forgive my manners. Ogene, I made a mistake. I can't call myself. I should have introduced myself. Afambu Chinedu, son of Mazo Baga. But my friends call me. I do too much money in Ghana. I go get too much. Hop into my factory fitted AC car. Can drop or the far. Or go so bad draw. Yeah, you can.
Do you have to be choking me like that? Eh? I said thank you for your concern. I'll prefer to walk to my place of work.
Biano Asabia Ogene. Hey! There are so many beautiful girls in this village. Mananka, look at the perception. AC na moto. I have AC, he's chilling. Now I must find you. Mama, maybe shop on one.
Mama, come. Oh, give me. Mama, come. Mama, good afternoon. Mama, do you know that after returning from the tailoring shop, I went to Auntie Helen's shop to thank her and then tell her how everything went. Guess what she told me? What did she? Mama, this time around, guess now. Mama, guess for what now? It's okay. Mama, do you know that she told me she's going to buy me a sewing machine before I complete my short-term program? I'm serious. Listen, Mama, I'm serious now. Hey! Mama, I'll follow. Hey, Muchimo! Hey! Hey! Chukwa! Hey! Chukwa! Hey! God, I'm watching you. Hey! Chukwa kid you. Hey! God, I've always known that this God will not forsake us. Yes, Mama. He is too faithful to fail. Thank you, Jesus. This is that girl. That girl is a God sent to this woman. And my prayer is that her cup will never run dry. Amen. Hey! Amen. Mama, that's not all. Mama, sit down first. Sit down, Mama. Sit down. 10,000. She gave us, you and I, for our upkeep. You and I, not only you. Mama, see now. This is too much now. Mama, 10,000. Ha! 10,000, Mama! It's too much. And your liquidation. Mama, I don't know. Hey! Jesus, she gave you 10,000 naira. Hey, for you and I, upkeep. Hey!
on, Bobby. I want to thank her, please. Let me appreciate this. Hey, this is too much. Mama.
Are you blind? What kind of question is that? Where was your mind when you were driving?
Pascal, calm down. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm sorry. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm okay.
Let me take you to the school teaching hospital, please.
No, don't worry. Okay, don't stress. I'm fine. It's just a normal sprain.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My bad. Where are you off to? I can drop you.
I'm good. I'm okay.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I can actually drop you. Please, let me drop you off. Please.
Go and check this note. You try to do it. I'm sorry.
I'm so sorry. I was just talking to my friend on the phone. I'm sorry. Ejike is not taking his calls. Could it be a lecture hall?
How is that my business? Eh? Helen? Hey. Is it not enough that this guy in question is a nobody? Eh? A broke student. You have gone as far to sponsoring him and paying for all his bills in school. That is not enough. You're even catering for his family.
Look, Nancy, I take an exception to such insults from you.
Hi.
Listen, it's not as if I owe you these informations. I'm just telling you because you're my friend. Nothing else.
Really? My friend, I feel you're under a spell. You're under a spell because it's very obvious. It's very obvious. You want me to paint lies for you. I will not. That is why I'm your friend. I will tell you the truth. I will always tell you the truth. Because I don't understand. Eh? In few weeks, you will be 30. 30 years. 30 years. And here you are. Spending for a boy. A boy. You don't even know whether tomorrow he's going to make it. And remember you. Or whether he will not make it or not. Do you know how he's going to see you? He will see you like a desperate woman. Is a man that is supposed to be spending for a woman, not a woman spending for a man.
Can you stop sounding negative for once? Can you?
Negative.
Listen, I only saw a young, smart, zealous man in dire need of help. Moreover, who says it's a man's duty to always be the one helping a woman? I have to take this call. He's calling back. Sweetie.
Hey dear, sorry I missed your call. I was on my way to the hospital when you called.
What happened? Is it your leg again?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just had a little sprain in my back while I was trying to dodge a car that was about to hit me.
Okay. No, it's fine. We'll talk much later after your lectures.
Yeah, but I'm okay. Alright, I'll talk to you later, okay? Take care.
Alright. Bye there. My goodness. He was nearly hit by a car and he affected his hip injury.
How is that my business? How exactly that's my business? I ask you. Why are you telling me? Why are you telling me? Please send your girl to go and buy me a recharge card. See, you're very lucky on my friend though. If you're not my friend, because you're very annoying. He's very, very annoying. Can you imagine? He had an accident. Or was Salem? Accident.
No empathy. I just told you he was nearly hit by a car.
Hey.
Oh, stop that.
Helen, are you sure you're normal? I swear to God,
So, Kitty, where are you heading from here? So I can drop you off.
We're going to the lecture hall before the accident.
Where is that?
School auditorium.
Oh, I also have lecture there, I think. Are you a student of economics department?
Yeah, final year student.
Whoa! So we are classmates!
Oh, pretty.
That makes the ride much easier. Yeah. How come I have not? Anyway, I don't come to classes, so. So let's.
Drop us.
How are you?
I hope it's not what I'm thinking. That you are now stalking me.
No, can't keep stalking. You know you are too beautiful. Ebo open end of signal. On atomy am name with the contact. You might not compass a cable. Baby, just chill. You understand? Chill.
No. Do not call me that again. I am not baby. So don't call me that again.
You might be grown up, man. Baby cable to me. That is why I am here. Continue go na log. Bag paint ka warehouse. Okay, ebu magic. You other go. Fine girl, neno. You know the reason I called you baby is because you didn't tell me your name. How would I call you baby? Manokwa baby cable. Asanwa.
Are you done blabbing?
Blabbing.
Well, my name is Helen.
Oh.
And not baby. And I was about to accompany my friend to somewhere really important before you got here. If you need anything, my girl is inside. She'll attend to you. Nancy, let's go. Helen. Nancy, let's go.
You know how to talk.
How to talk? I don't wait.
Enwa, let me carry you people with my factory fitted AC car.
Honestly, I don't understand you, Helen. Why are you doing like this? Why is your body always pinching you when you see people that have money? Make more money. Did they born you the day they created poverty in this life?
Nancy, what's your problem? Didn't you hear that guy sounding very proud and arrogant?
Proud? Arrogance? What are you even saying, Helen? It seems like you don't like better things. Somebody that is busy praising you. All these things won't weave all these things that God created everywhere. See your back. Why wouldn't they chase you now? I wish I have this thing like that. Which kind of nonsense be this? Helen, you will go and answer that boy. Helen!
Nwa. Nwa. Omalecha nwa. Aso Odogwu.
What are you still doing here?
You said I should go in if I wanted something, so I decided to come and sit down.
Charity! Auntie? Charity, come. Come out. Has he told you what he wants?
No, Auntie. I have asked him several times. He asked me to hold on until you come back.
Mr. Man, state your mission here and leave.
Maneko now. You're not supposed to be standing under the sun. Why are you talking to Odogwu? Put the benzo. No problem, Mabi. You see, I actually came back to look for a beautiful and responsible girl to get married to. And guess what? It's not that person other than you. Just say yes to my proposal and say hello to good life.
Hey, some people are really mad.
I'm madly in love with you.
No, you are insane. So where you crawled out from? When you see just any woman anywhere, you begin to propose marriage to her.
It's not the way you see it. We call it love at first sight. Hey. You understand? Look at you and look at me. In other words,
you are sick. You are sick. Honestly. You see some people in the daytime and you think that they are okay. No. They are really raving mad. You're a madman. Look, this place is a business arena. Live here. Take your madness somewhere else.
You need to fill up this shop with the goodies. You understand? But
I said you should leave.
No problem. I can see you are not in a good mood. Mana, baby, if I'm coming next time, I'm going to take you shawarma. You know go? Asa. Okwa na mbosi eke. Ori na afọ na nkwọ ka dị n'iru. Yotago. Ngwongwo Odogwu. Ngwongwo Odogwu.
Hey God. What's funny? Why are you laughing? Will you shut up before I move your teeth? Get in. Hey, people are really mad. And it's like this one, his own madness is worse during the hot afternoon. Where did you come from?
Papa, there's something I want to discuss with you.
Okay, so what is that?
Papa, there is this girl. There's this girl I saw. If one know, you know, because I think she will make a good wife for me. But you need to look at this girl. Ubia not is all.
Hey, my son. Yeah. Now my son is thinking like a man, and this is the kind of news I've been longing to hear. Yes, my son now is talking like a man. But this girl you're talking about, is she from this community?
Yes, she's from this village. She runs a small medicine store close to the village market. Her name is Helen.
Helen. One small medicine store that is close to the market.
The girl
Helen. Yeah, now I know whom you are talking about. Helen. Yes, she is the daughter of late Ichie Osondu, the former president of our town union. And her mother's name is Nena. And her uncle is my very good friend. Yes. Just give me time. I will talk to him, My son. You have a good eye.
Papa, what do you expect? Do you think I have not heard your story, Papa? So many people have told me your stories. How you wrestle with both human and spirit. Every young and old man in this village to get my mother. Only me. As onye tinye isi tonya so na. Onye tinye isi tonya so na. Yeah, you know my mother was very very beautiful. Kine Obiane. Omekani Obiane. Okay. Her uncle being your friend makes it easier. Because Ima unuloko no si ano. But let me just ask you, have two of you spoken exhaustively? The 2 times I tried talking to her, I know that Ntunye ego na alo. Ndonye ego na risi ayaji. Yeah, she will definitely succumb. That is a woman thing. Eh? But meanwhile, just give me some time. I'll still with her uncle. Eh? Please, makana unwa. Even one bunazo bu mechi anyo to na eme ibedem. Ona akon kabando umu school.
Mama, please. Please. Please, please. And you? What part of leave me alone do you not understand?
Every part of it. How can I leave you alone? I can never leave you alone. It's not possible.
She looks like me. Eh? I get back to her. I was just like her when I was younger.
If you know what is good for you, before I come out from here, leave this place. You see now, your color is still red. By the time I come out, you will turn to purple.
Don't mind. I'm so sorry for the remarks. Okay. I don't know what came over my daughter.